At the same time, there is a hydraulic mini-lift to lift the motorcycle up and down, easily controlled from the handheld console. The sleeping section is equipped with a large folding bed, storage cups along the perimeter, a kitchen with a comfortable worktop, a sink, a table, and even a fridge, a place for a microwave and an oven. There is also place for a shower and a small toilet. Caterpillar AD60. The largest in its range, this dump truck with an articulated frame was designed for underground work. With a total mass of 110 tons, this model has a payload capacity of 60 tons. You can place 1,200 cubic feet of rock on the cargo area. The vehicle comes with an 805 horsepower power unit, which works along with a 7-speed gearbox. The dump truck is equipped with an electronic control system, which among other things is responsible for the remote fuel injection. Futuria. Unlike other trucks in our list, this is rather a fully fledged house on wheels. It's equipped with a swimming pool on the roof, a garage for a sports car with a mirror ceiling, a living room, a bedroom, a solarium, and many other features. The vehicle moves thanks to a 3-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine that can deliver up to 170 horsepower. The truck trailer was developed in cooperation with a well-known manufacturer of mobile homes, and therefore, the creators were able to take into account the needs and wishes of future owners. The garage for the sports car is located at the back of the house on wheels. Multi-lift. This additional equipment for MAN trucks allows you to unload the cargo easily in different ways. For example, you can have a reversible cargo body or a removable one. It is noteworthy that the winch integrates easily with the base of the truck, works hydraulically, and is controlled using a hand remote control. All joints of the moving parts are designed for maximum efficiency and minimal operational maintenance. In addition to the winch, the manufacturer offers a system of automatic covering using tarpaulin or other coating. Mercedes Vehicle Carrier. This impressive vehicle allows you to carry up to 5 cars in the cargo area, which is the equivalent of one small truck. Cars can be placed in 2 rows on top of each other, 2 at the bottom and 3 at the top. The floor of the second level can be adjusted depending on the dimensions of each car. And depending on the model of the car, you can climb to the second floor either through the rear side of the elevator or by tilting the floor. Iron Knight. This powerful truck produced by Volvo was created to beat world records. During the 1,640-foot race, it reached an average maximum speed of about 80 miles per hour in just under 14 seconds. At a 3,281-foot distance, the average speed was 105 miles per hour, and the time was 21.29 seconds. The show took place in an abandoned airfield in northern Sweden. Unlike other trucks and large cars on our list, this one can truly be considered a racing model.